today. The average high is in the low 50s range. I have much cooler air for the middle of the week. I'll have a look at that 7-day coming up in just a few minutes. Doreen? I'm sorry. Let's get a check. Oh my gosh, guys. It's Monday.
It is Monday.
A Monday.
That's
oh my
all right,
goodness.
Chelsea.
I'm sorry. Here's Jim.
She had a very long weekend. Yeah, birthday weekend. We take a look at the roads in South County. Chelsea, everything clear on Route 1 through Westerly all the way up to North Kingstown. And then Chelsea 95 is clear after the state line up past exit 5. That's Route 102 in West Greenwich, Chelsea, if you didn't know that. 138 is clear eastbound and westbound right over the Newport Bridge. Route 1 is delay-free approaching Route 4. We take a look at our drive times right now, Chelsea.